Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sana, and today we're going to talk about something very useful for everyone who wants to improve their English: daily use English sentences.
Hi everyone, I'm Rihan. You're absolutely right, Sana. Daily use English sentences are the most important part of speaking English because we use them again and again in real life.
Exactly, Rihan. Many people learn grammar and vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, they get stuck. That's because they don't practice daily use sentences.
Yes, and the good thing is, you don't need difficult English. Simple sentences are enough to communicate confidently.
Let's start with daily routine sentences. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, "Good morning," or "I just woke up."
Right. And when someone asks how you are, you can say, I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm feeling a little tired today.
These are very common sentences. Another useful one is, "What are you doing right now?"
And the answer could be, I'm getting ready, or I'm having breakfast, or I'm on my way.
Simple sentences, but very powerful.
At home, we use English sentences like, what's for breakfast, or I'm hungry.
Yes, and also, "Please turn off the fan," or "Can you help me with this?"
If you're tired, you can say, I need some rest, or I'm feeling exhausted.
And don't forget polite sentences like "thank you," "please," and "sorry." These are used everywhere.
Now let's talk about conversation sentences. These are used all the time.
Like, "What do you mean?" or "Are you sure?"
Yes, and that sounds good, or I agree with you, or I don't think so.
Sometimes we don't understand something, so we say, "I didn't get it," or "Can you explain again?"
These sentences help keep the conversation going.
Rihan, daily use English is also very important at work.
Absolutely. At the office, we often say, I'm busy right now, or I'll call you later.
Or, "Let's discuss this in the meeting."
Yes, and please send me the details, or I'll get back to you.
These sentences make you sound professional and confident.
When you go shopping, daily use English is very helpful.
Like asking, "How much does this cost?"
Or saying, it's too expensive, or do you have something cheaper?
And when you like something, you can say, "I'll take this."
Don't forget polite lines like, excuse me, and thank you very much.
On phone calls, we often use simple English.
Yes, like, can you hear me? Or, the line is busy.
And "I missed your call," or "I'll call you back."
Online chat sentences are also important, like, are you online? Or, let's video call.
Daily use English is not complete without expressing feelings.
True, you can say, I'm happy, I'm sad, or I'm stressed.
Or "I'm excited about this," and "I'm worried about tomorrow."
These sentences help you express yourself clearly,
Some sentences can be used anywhere.
like, no problem, or it's okay, and take care.
Also, "Everything will be fine," and "I'm trying my best."
These sentences give confidence and positivity.
Rihan, many people ask how to learn daily use English quickly.
The best way is practice. Use 5 to 10 sentences daily in real life.
Yes, speak in front of a mirror or practice with a friend.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. "Good morning. How are you?"
I'm fine, thank you.
Please wait for a moment.
I'll call you later.
Practice these sentences every day.
Remember, daily use English sentences are the foundation of fluent English.
If you master these sentences, speaking English becomes easy.
Start small, practice daily, and stay confident.
That's all for today. Keep learning and keep speaking English.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.